Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about integral. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the approximation of sine t that is about this one. So we need to know that the chain about sine bt over bt. So this one we can put about sine bt. So we will have about bt. And this one we have bt to the power of 3 over number 6 plus bt to the power of 5 over 120. And the last one that is about bt to the power of number 7 over 5040. The next one we need to divide by bt. So this one we have number 1. This one we have bt everything to the power of 2 over number 6 because we divide both sides by bt. The next one that is about number 4. And the last one we have bt to the power of 6 over 5040 in here. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides from 0 to number 1 for this equation. So we put this one gone here. So this one we will have the integration of number 1. We have t. This one we have t to the power of 3 over 3. So because we have the formula in here. So n plus 1 on the power. So because this is about number 2, so this one we have t to the power of 3 over 3. The next one that is about b to the power of 4 over 120. And we have t to the power of 5 over 5. And the last one so this one we have t to the power of 7 over 7. And then we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. Number 0 gone here. So if we use the calculator in here and we have 0.587 6 7 8 and 7 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.